I really wanted to grab this one because, again, it is another hyped Middle Eastern fragrance that everyone seems to love, and I want to like it. I truly want to like this one. The scent we are talking about is Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are back with another rack store pickup. This time I was able to find something at my local Burlington, and I really wanted to grab this one because, again, it is another hyped Middle Eastern fragrance that everyone seems to love, and I want to like it. I truly want to like this one. The scent we are talking about is Lattafa Asad Elixir. Now, a few of you guys had told me this had been popping up. I ended up paying $34.99 for the 100 ml, I believe. And the reason why I want to like this one is because I think the others in the line are pretty good. Asad is good, the OG. Zanzibar is okay. It's probably my least favorite. Bourbon is probably my favorite that I've tried from the line. So I have kind of high hopes for Elixir. I know a little bit about this fragrance. I know that it is supposed to smell a lot like Boss Bottled Absolute. Now, full disclosure, I have not tried that fragrance yet, believe it or not. Boss Bottled Elixir is one of my favorite pickups in the last 5 years. It is amazing. I absolutely love that fragrance. A lot of people seem to like one or the other, or like both and like one more than the other. I haven't tried Absolute yet, but I'm going to test this out today. So I'm going to walk you guys through sort of the opening and what I pick up, and I'm going to wear it and go about my day. I have a lot of things to do today. I'm on the road for a little bit, so I'm going to put it through its paces. It's really cold today. It's like in the teens here in Boston. Let's bust this open, guys. If you like content like this, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that hype button, share this video, all the good things. But let's get into it. Yeah, let me show you the presentation here. So you have Asad Elixir, and I would say out of all the presentations and bottles, this is my favorite. I like that sort of piano black wrap around there with the matte black. So I like the blend of finishes. I think it looks cool. I like black bottles. So let's take a look at the atomizer. Decent atomizer, pretty consistent with the rest of the line. Okay, yeah, this is sweet. First thing that stands out is the sweetness. Has a little bit of a Middle Eastern twang to it. Definitely picking up some smoke, maybe some resins. It has a little depth to it. I like it. Just on first impressions in the air, it's kind of my style of fragrance, my vibe. And I would say that in the air, that sweetness isn't too much. It's not, although it's the first thing that popped out to me, it's quickly fading. I'm getting more smoke, more resin, more richness. So that I like. Let's see what it does off of skin. It's smooth. It's has this kind of suede-like feel to it. It's a little buttery. The sweetness is really toned down here, which I am super excited about. It does fall in line with other elixirs, but all the things that I loved about Boss Bottled Elixir, why I thought it was different from most elixirs at the time, there's some nods to it here. So yeah, I know people are saying Boss Bottled Absolute, but I'm definitely getting hints of the Elixir as well. I am going a little anosmic to it. It's there, but the prominent note here is that smoke and resin, possibly some incense. So it's not too bad. I think that this is definitely perfect for this type of weather. So again, it's really cold here today. I'm going to put this on, and this is going to be my scent of the day. And I can tell you right now, I don't hate it. So, the first initial spray in some of these Middle Eastern fragrances are hit and miss for me. That doesn't mean they don't get better, but this for me right now, I'm liking. So whether or not it gets better as it dries down remains to be seen. Again, that's what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go about my day. I'm going to check back in with you guys shortly. We'll take a look at the notes at some point. And yeah, so far so good. Lattafa, Asad, Elixir.
Buffalo.
Yeah, Brady's up top.
He's up in the booth. You see Alan just buried.
What do I do?
Silently by himself.
Staring
Staring at the clock.
All right, guys. So it's been about 45 minutes since I first put on Asad Elixir, and I have thoughts on this. I think that so far so good. It is a really good performer. Like I said, in the car, I'm in a small space before. I went anosmic to it pretty quickly, but when I was walking through the building that I was in and just picking it up, I definitely got the sense that this is a good performer. Now, it is bordering on redundant for me, although it doesn't smell identical to Boss Bottled Elixir, and I know people compare it to Absolute, I know. But it also has reminders of Boss Bottled Elixir, and it's bordering on the line of redundant for me for that reason. In 2026, my plan is to be much more intentional with my pickups, so I definitely think that this right now is redundant for me. Now, that might be a good thing for you guys because I just hit 27,000 subscribers. There's a very good chance I will be giving this fragrance away at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around for that. But what I do like about this, I feel like they went back to the OG and they took some elements of the OG here and made this a true Elixir flanker of the OG. So that I'm pleased with, because I think the other two releases were good, okay on their own, but there was no real nods to the original, the thing that started it all. So I like that they took some elements of the OG and they put it in here. I'm going to give it more time. Again, I'm going to be checking in, a few hours down the road, but right now I like the scent, just might be redundant for me. This one I've been looking for.
And this one is a 10 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
That peanut butter and jelly one literally tastes like a peanut butter and jelly.
I know.
I don't like peanut butter and jelly flavor things.
Favorite one.
What were you using
This one.
Daddy's
But
phone?
if it ran out, this would be my favorite.
All right, like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe!
Here's my fit for the day, guys. Got my Ralph Lauren jacket. It's lined, Sherpa lined. This is super comfortable. Hoodie that I think I got from LA Archive. These are actually the unreleased Easy Gap cargo pants. Super comfortable. And my New Balance 1000s. So yeah, and so far so good. I'm liking the fragrance. All right, guys, so it has been over 12 hours since I first put on Asad Elixir, and I can confidently say this is one of, if not the best performing in the line. This is definitely the best performing one in the line, in my opinion. I like it. It smells great. It is redundant for me personally because, of course, as I mentioned earlier, the Boss Bottled Elixir. Now, a lot of people, I think, agree with that. Now, I know this is supposed to smell like, I don't know if it's supposed to smell like Boss Bottled Absolute, but a lot of people think it smells like that. Again, I can't compare the two. I haven't smelled Absolute, but I do know one thing. This is one of the more impressive overall performers along with scent profile. I think they did a really fantastic job taming this thing, not making it too harsh. It smells good. I don't think this needs a ton of maceration, although I would imagine it's going to get even better. So with that, I'm pleased. I think this is a great buy for the price, and just, yeah, you can't really go wrong. Now, for me, it is redundant, so I am going to be doing a giveaway. So make sure that you guys check out the description down below. I will put in all the rules on how to enter. And yeah, I mean, 27K, guys. We hit 27,000 subscribers not too long ago. So I want to give back, and I think this is a perfect opportunity to do it. Fred the Frenchie, he's happy. And yeah, he wants someone to win. So guys, I truly appreciate it. All the love and the support you've shown me in the channel. It means everything, and I'm having a lot of fun making these videos. So I will continue to do it as you guys continue to watch them. But I truly appreciate it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know down in the comment section what your thoughts are on Asad Elixir. And until next time, guys, have a great day.